Hey, yo, if you guys are watching this, you already know 303 baby. But my boy slumped right now. I let him catch his rest and all that. We're about to leave here shortly. My boy slump. But y'all comment, subscribe, comment below, be like, hey yo, I finished the whole vid. You're trash. I'll be like, alright, go see. Comment though. You feel? He spoke his mind. That us United States of America get to do. Other countries, they might chop your head off. But god damn, I need to cut this shit off. I normally got a big ass forehead, like. But follow my workout channel. Good workouts. Search it up on Instagram. Instagram and YouTube is what we be on. We're on a cutting diet. Working fast. Lost a lot of muscle. Not eating as much. But now we're going to be bulking up. You'll see the transformation here shortly. We got a tattoo appointment as well. Or make that you'll know. But big shout out to me and my fam and my family and my friends and most importantly, my subs, my watchers. Love y'all.